Hello everyone, hope so you are all fine, and in this video we are going to solve this question, and we have a x plus y, this is equal to 5, and product of xy, this is equal to 25, and in our question we find the value of x and y. So let's start. In our question, look at this first equation, call this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Now look at the equation 1. In this equation, we subtract a y on both sides of this equation. This is a x plus y. We subtract a x on this side. We also subtract a x on right hand side. So this negative x and positive x cancel. We get just y is equal to, this is a 5 minus x. We call this is our equation 3. And now in the next step, look at the equation 2. In equation 2, the product of xy is equal to 25 and y is equal to 5 minus x. So here we write x and we write y, which is equal to 5 minus x is equal to 25. Now in the next step, we multiply this x by 5, we get 5 times x. Multiply this x by x, we get x square is equal to 25. Now in the next step, we add a x square on both sides of this equation. We get add a x square on this side and also add a x square on this side. This will cancel. We just get 5 times x is equal to 25 plus x square. Now in the next step, we subtract a 5 times x on both sides of this equation. Subtract 5 times x on this side and we also subtract 5 times on this side. This will cancel. On left hand side we just get 0 and the right hand side is a 25 plus x square minus 5 times x. Now in the next step we rearrange this equation. So we get x square minus 5 times x plus 25, this is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. And we use a quadratic formula to solve this equation. And in this equation, the a is equal to 1 and the b is a coefficient of x, which is a minus 5, and the c is a constant. And in this equation, constant is a 25. And the formula is a x is equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. So in the next step, we substitute these value in this formula. So we get this is a minus and b is a minus 5. So here we write minus 5 plus minus square root, this is a b square and b is this one. So take a square of minus 5, we get 25 minus 4. A is a 1 and the c is a 25 over 2 and a is a 1. So simplify these values. So look at this, negative will become a positive. So we get positive 5 plus minus square root, this is a 25 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 25, this is equal to 100 over 2 ones are 2. Now this is equal to 5 plus minus 25 minus 100, this is equal to minus 75 over 2. Now we write this as a 5 plus minus square root 75 multiply minus 1 over 2. This is equal to 5 plus minus square root 75 multiply square root minus 1 over 2. And we know that this square root minus 1 and this square root minus 1 is equal to iota which is a complex number. So this is a 5 plus minus square root 75 iota over 2. Now we simplify this 75. So 5. So 5 15s are 75, and 5 3s are 15, and 3 1s are 3. So we get 5 plus minus, this is a 5 square because we have a 2 times 5, and this is a 3 iota over 2. Now in the next step, this square and square root cancel, and we get 5 plus minus 5 times square root 3 iota over 2. This is the value of x in our question. So we get two values of x. First one is this 5 plus 5 times square root 3 iota over 2, and the second value of x is a 5 minus 5 times square root 3 iota over 2. Now we find the value of y. For this we use equation 3, which is a y is equals to 5 minus x. So we find the value of y1, and for this we use the value of x1. The equation 3 is a this. So here we write 5 minus x is a this one. 5 plus 5 times square root 3 iota over 2. Simplify these values. We write this 5 as a 10 over 2, which is also equal to 5. And we write the remaining value 5 plus 5 times square root 3 iota over 2. Now in the next step, we write this as a, in a denominator we have a 2, and the denominator is a 10 minus 5 minus 5 times square root 3 iota, and subtract these two values, 10 minus 5, we get 5 minus 5 times square root 3 iota over 2. So this is the value of y1, and in this case we take x1, which is equal to 5 plus 5 times square root 3 iota over 2. This is the value of x1 and y1. And now we use this value and find the value of y2. So this is our equation 3, which is a y2 is equal to 5 minus x is this one, 5 minus 5 times square root 3 iota over 2. We write this 5 as a 10 over 2, and we copy the remaining value. Now in the next step we take LCM, and in denominator we have a 2, and the denominator we have a 10 minus 5 plus 5 times square root 3 iota. Now 10 minus 5 is a 5, so we have a 5 plus 5 times square root 3 iota over 2. This is the value of y2. In this case, x2 is equal to 5 minus 5 times square root 3 iota over 2. This is the value of y2 and x2. These are the possible answers in our question, and we have done.